Can we skip to the
The
good
good
part?
side.
This is no Tagalog. No Tagalog word. Taste test. Taste test. And no speaking Tagalog. English only.
Yeah.
If you speak Tagalog, I will make up you.
Oh no!
Okay. Okay, let's start with that.
What is that? What flavor is that?
Never mind. Okay, we will first.
So hard.
So hi. This is not sponsored, but if you like to, you know why not. Flavor is lemon flavor or lime flavor. Let's taste this. Okay. So very big, like me.
Can you explain to us what?
Oh, no explanation.
Simple what is the rule?
The only rule is don't speak Tagalog or else you will make up your face, okay? What? Or
Just
I will make
comment
up your
if you-
face. This flavor is ano? This flavor is ano?
No, don't put mini. Dead.
Hey, hey. Oh my God.
Sister Larina.
Wait. You look at the camera. These snacks are unusual for us because we're Filipinos. But generally, this is the common taste of, okay, let's start. We will taste it first.
Find it.
Oh no!
I will be the first to taste.
You taste it.
Hey, you talk!
No, my contribution.
Okay.
Love?
First, after, okay?
Okay, got it. It's hard very much.
NANI?!
She can talk. Hey!
Don't make it so mini. Can you make it faster? I'm hungry.
Usually loud, but now.
Days and 2 nights. Okay na.
You want
Behave.
You want Korean?
Can I have some water?
How does it taste?
You taste it sour and a bit salty. Yeah, I agree. Likewise.
I repeat. You pick the next one. This is
Like Arun.
Dotekai, if I'm not mistaken. Dotekai. So let's taste it. It's really noodles.
Yeah, I agree. It's too hard for me to. Because your gum is so smiling. It's a bit salty.
Okay, next. You do the honor, please.
This one.
Okay.
Open it.
Wait,
Shush.
Okay, this is a potato chips with a chocolate flavor. Oh yeah. Okay, this is very unusual to us because you know chocolate in the Philippines is very expensive. That's why we always eat chocolate. Let's taste it.
Yes, yes.
Literally, there's chocolate.
Let's eat, Billy. Yeah. I want to buy this. What kind? Delicious.
I never thought that potato and chocolate combination is so good.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah. Next time when you buy this mini, you give us.
Okay, you give me money. Okay, next.
Hey!
I'm not done. I'm hungry.
Oh. Can I have some more? How much is that?
500 yen.
Oh, God! I make it, ano?
Okay.
Oh, so
Pretty.
Sinalok.
Shishoos. This one is spreads.
Ow.
Scallop. Japanese, this is hotate.
Listen.
The packaging is really nice. Though. See? It's really scallop.
It's a no for me. Huh? Let's see. Why you are not talking? Don't do that anymore.
I think this is umeboshi.
Oh my
Plum.
God. Like
A sour plum. Here in Japan it's very famous, but in the Philippines we don't have this. So,
You're quiet.
you're so quiet. Simultaneously, ano?
Yeah, asir.
Cheers! My goodness, you're so hungry.
First, ano? It tastes like plum.
It's like that.
With your saliva? The flavor is gone.
Last but not the least, cheese almond. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheers.
Wow. The almond is very nice. Only one. I also. You also, ano? Yeah. No! So straight? Ayun, so beautiful. Oh my God!
Umeboshi. Usually, tsukimono here in Japan are a side dish. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, you ate. She didn't eat. Oh! Too sour, too salty, and
Too salty and too much acid.
I like it. Eat more.
Okay, that's it for our taste test. Thank you for this, guys, our guests.
Please like and subscribe.
What?
Subscribe.
What? Send the stars.
Oh, that's nice.
And the moon. Okay, which one is your favorite, guys? Show yours.
This one.
Which one is you don't like? I don't like this.
This one.
And
The
this
noodles.
one.
I'm sorry.
The noodle.
I like sour, but this is
The
too much.
noodles.
Thank you, everybody. Comment down below if you have some suggestions.
For the next content.
Yeah, for the next content. Okay, bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Can we skip to the
To the
good
good
part?
side.
Ah!